For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
Ever struggle to get your smoothies perfectly smooth without stopping to stir? I've been there, but the Splendor Blender changed that for me. With its 1000-watt motor and ultra-sharp blades, it crushes ice, frozen fruits, and tough veggies effortlessly. I tried it with frozen strawberries and spinach for a morning smoothie, and it came out silky smooth without me touching it once. Seriously, that impressed me. It comes with 2 easy blending modes. High-speed blend, perfect for creamy smoothies, soups, and sauces. I rely on this every morning for my breakfast shake. Pulse mode, great for chunkier blends like salsa or crushed nuts. I tested it on frozen pineapple chunks and it worked like a charm without overprocessing. Safety matters too, and this blender is free from PTFEs, PFOAs, and PFAS, so you can blend confidently every day without worrying about toxins. I also love the wavy wall vessel design. It keeps ingredients moving, giving you even blends and less scraping. The heavy, stable base keeps everything steady even with tougher ingredients. The included 25-ounce personal cup with drinking lid is a game changer for busy mornings. I blend my smoothie, snap on the lid, and go. No extra containers, no mess. Cleanup is a breeze with the self-cleaning function. A bit of soap, water, and a press of a button, and it's done. I honestly save a few minutes every day thanks to this feature. If you want a blender that combines power, safety, and convenience, this is the one I keep reaching for. From post-workout shakes to meal prep, it consistently delivers smooth, reliable results and makes my mornings a lot easier.